Hello, kindergarten. Today we're going to be talking about measuring and drawing line segments to the nearest inch. Now, we've been drawing line segments using our rulers, but today we're going to learn how to measure line segments using the ruler to the nearest inch. Now, take a look at your ruler, and we want to look at the both sides. You have two sides. This side is the inches. If you flip it over, you will see some numbers and some lines. These are called centimeters. So you want to make sure we're only going to be using the inches side. And we talked about how many inches are in a foot. There are 12 inches in a foot. If you have a ruler this size, it's a foot. So let's count. You'll see the 0 over here. This is the side we're going to start on when we're measuring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 inches in a foot. All right, so you take out your lesson worksheet and we will practice measuring line segments. So we have been drawing line segments and now we'll practice measuring. So when you measure, you want to make sure that 0 is right on the first dot of the line segment. Look to the end, and the end dot, how many inches is this line segment? 2 inches. Let's try the next one. Line up the 0 right on the dot. Look all the way down right at the next dot. How many inches is this line segment? 5. Okay, and it helps to maybe keep the ruler underneath the line segment and make sure always that the 0 is over here. This one is 3 inches. This one, we need to turn our ruler a little bit. 4 inches. Here's a long one. And this one is 7 inches. So you just have to be sure you're on the inches side. If you flip it over and you measure in centimeters, it's not what we're doing right now, not what we're learning. But another way you can do this is take a plain piece of paper and we can practice. So you could do this. Make a dot at the 0. And let's draw a 4-inch line segment. So you want a dot there. Put a dot at the 4, because remember the dot means stop. If you don't have a dot, your line segment's going to go on forever. So that would be a 4-inch line segment. All right, let's practice it again. Let's do a slanted one. All right, put a dot on the 0. Don't move your ruler, hold it in place. Steady, steady. Let's do a 2-inch line segment. So put a dot where the 2 is and then draw a nice straight line. Keep your ruler nice and steady. All right, let's try one more. We'll make it a big one. Let's try, want to try a 12-inch? I think it'll fit on my paper. You make a dot at the 0, a dot on the 12. That's where we stop. Hold tight to your ruler. And a nice straight line. 12-inch line segment. Whoops, I went off the end a little bit. That is a 12 inches. Okay, good job. This is a good thing for you to practice at home with any paper and any ruler. Have fun with it.